How to transfer crypto from Bitget Access to Bitget Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer crypto from Bitget Access to Bitget Wallet. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Bitget Access application on your device. Now log into your account and go to the Assets tab at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the Sports section at top right corner and now choose Withdraw. After that, you have to choose the crypto you'd like to transfer. Let's use USDT as an example. Now select On Chain Withdrawal. By default, the network will be pre-selected. For this demo, I will keep TRC20. You can simply choose the arrow in order to choose a different network. After that, you have to open the Bitget wallet application. Now go to Deposit at top right corner of the screen and you have to choose Receive button. Now, you have to choose USDT on TRC20. Now tap on Backup Now button and you have to copy the deposit address provided. Now you have to return to Bitget Access and paste the address. Input the withdrawal amount and then tap Withdraw button. And you have to wait for confirmation. Once this transaction completes, your crypto will be available in your Bitget wallet. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.